Hey. So today I'm here for not showing any work process, not making any tutorial, not making any other things, okay? So today I'm here to share some of my stories with you, okay? And also to thank all my 100 subscribers. Yo, you are awesome. You guys are awesome. I mean, you have made a dream possible. Yes, you are part of my dream, and I will always remember you guys to my all. I mean, my first 100 subscribers, they're always special. Okay, so thank you so much for thank you so much to all of you for making this possible, and like giving me encouragement for improvement every day. And I really appreciate all those things. Okay, so the thing is, like, today I'm going to talk about some of my personal experience, or maybe you can say struggle as a graphic designer. So, like, now these things are much better. As you can see, like, today we are getting more and more exposure of social media, and we are getting more, uh, more creative stuffs, more tutorials, and I can see, like, there are many good YouTubers, okay, those who are making excellent tutorials, excellent content, and I really admire them for this. Okay, but the thing is, like, back in 2011 or 2012 when I started my career as a graphic designer, it was not that easy, because there were not so plenty of tutorials available in YouTube that time. So what I used to do is I used to follow blogs a lot, and I got a lot of help from my seniors that I should mention, like many people from them I got a lot of help. But like, many negative things also happened to me, because a few of them also told me, like, I don't think so you will be able to make it, and I took this as a challenge. Yeah, of course. Like, I always take negative things as a challenge. If someone says that you cannot make this, so I think, why can't I? And I keep on doing that, and this things never ends. Like, still I can tell you, like, still I'm struggling, still I'm doing, still I'm making art and improving every day, learning every day, and learning many things from other artists and designers as well. And, like, it's not that I'm learning only from seniors, I'm also learning from juniors as well, because I know many junior artists and designers who are doing excellent jobs these days. So you guys are awesome, and thumbs up to you all. Okay, so the thing is, this is like that, like, you should learn every day. You should never stop learning, and once you stop learning, your improvement stops there. So I believe in that, like, that principle. So I always follow that, and I have been following that. But in the initial period, it was like, sometimes it was like a nightmare. I worked very hard in the initial period, like, for days, for nights. I keep on improving myself on different softwares, on different skills, and so many of them. And I really, like, I will never forget those things, because that's a part of my journey. And when I remember those days, I really feel like a kind of peace. People always say that artists are different, creative persons are always different. Yeah, I agree that, because we never stop thinking. That is our problem. We never stop thinking, even when we like, even when we sleep. In our sleep also we think. Yeah, that sounds weird, but it happens. Like, there are so many things in our subconscious mind that we keep on thinking those things all the time. And, like, sometimes we feel like this world is alienated, and we cannot connect with people in this world. So we always make a different world, which is absolutely different from the existing world, the realist world. So sometimes it's scary also. But we all deal with that. If you ask any artist, maybe they will agree the same. And being an artist and being a designer at the same time, it's really a hurdle, because you have to, simultaneously do the same thing. Like sometimes you are being an artist, you are doing those things, and as a designer you have to be more logical, you have to be more skillful in such areas. And if you are an artist, you just let everything go. You should let everything go. You have something in your mind which is out of the box. But in design, sometimes you have to follow some rules. Okay, so these things actually happen. So the thing is, like, now it is more relaxed, because I know this is the process, and this is an ongoing process, it will never end. Okay, but at the initial period of my time, of my career, I struggled a lot. And now, if in these days, if someone asks me, like, what is your story, can you please share? So I sometimes say that it's a long story. Actually, you cannot share it like this. Okay, so it's a journey, it's a memory, it's everything, and it's going, it will keep on going actually. So I just, I will again thank all of those subscribers and all of those supporters, and those who are supporting my art. Okay, I will always thank them. And for you guys, I'm doing whatever I'm doing, so I'm grateful for that. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you like this video, please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. Okay, and if you have any suggestions for any particular tutorial, or if you have any experience to share, like what is your journey as a graphic designer or as an artist, you can always share it with me in my comment box, and I will assure you that I will reply all of them. I will reply all of your comments. Okay, so that's it for today. So be happy, be positive, and keep on working. Thank you. Bye bye.